Hello friends, welcome to APM Stats Connect. Today in this video, we will discuss a question from ICES 2020 paper 2. The question is to find a moment estimator for the unknown parameter theta. Before going to the question, we will discuss how to find the estimator using method of moments. So basically method of moments, it is one of the oldest method of estimation and is introduced by Carl Pearson. In this method, to estimate k unknown parameters of a population, we equate in general the first k moments of the sample to the first k moments of the population. And solving these k equation, we get the k estimators. In detail, let x be a random variable with the probability density function f of x comma theta, and let mu r dash be the rth moment about origin. Mu r dash is equal to the expected value of x raised to r. In general, mu r dash will be known function of theta, and we write mu r dash is equal to mu r dash of theta. Let x1, x2, etc. xn be a random sample of size n drawn from the population with the density function f of x theta. The rth sample moment will be mu r dash is equal to 1 by n into summation I equals 1 to n xi power r. From the equation mr dash is equal to mu r dash of theta, and solving for theta, we get the moment estimator of the unknown parameter theta, and the estimator is denoted by theta hat, which is the estimator of theta obtained by the method of moments. Let's move on to the question. Okay, so the question is from ISS 2020 paper 2, booklet code D, question number 40, and the question is, if x1, x2, x3, etc. xn constitutes a random sample of size n from the population given by f of x comma theta equal to 2 into theta minus x divided by theta square, 0 less than x less than theta and 0 otherwise, then the estimator of theta by the method of moments is x bar 3 x bar divided by 3 x bar plus 3. Okay, so the question is to find the moment estimator of the unknown parameter theta, and the population is f of x comma theta equal to 2 into theta minus x by theta square, 0 less than x less than theta. A random sample of size n, x1, x2, x3, etc. xn is taken from the population. Here we only have one unknown parameter. So using the method of moments, we will equate the first moment of the population with the first moment of sample, that is mu 1 dash of theta, which is the first moment of the population and is a function of the unknown parameter theta, with the first moment of the sample and is given by m1 dash. We have mu r dash of theta, it is the expected value of x raised to r, and here r is equal to 1, thus mu 1 dash of theta, it is equal to the expected value of x. And for m1 dash, for the sample x1, x2, x3, etc. xn, m1 dash is 1 by n into summation I equal to 1 to n xi. Okay, so this gives the summation I equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. It gives the sample mean and is given by x bar. Now we have to find the expected value of x for the given population with the density function f of x comma theta equal to 2 into theta minus x divided by theta square, 0 less than x less than theta. Okay, so now let's consider the expected value of x, which is equal to, by definition, integral 0 to theta x into 2 into theta minus x divided by theta square dx. Okay, so we can take 2 by theta square outside. So it is equal to 2 by theta square into integral 0 to theta x dx minus integral 0 to theta x square dx, and let's put them inside the brackets. Okay, then this is equal to 2 by theta square into, solving the integral, we get theta into x square by 2 ranges from 0 to theta minus x cube by 3 ranges from 0 to theta and is equal to 2 divided by theta square into, putting the limits to x, we have theta cube divided by 2 minus theta cube divided by 3. Taking theta cube outside and cancelling, we get it is equal to 2 divided by 2 into theta 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, it is equal to 1 by 6. So it is equal to theta divided by 3. So the expected value of x for the given population is equal to theta by 3, which is the mu1 dash, the first moment of the population. Now equating the first moment mu1 dash of theta with the first moment of the sample m1 dash, we get theta by theta by 3 is equal to x bar, or the estimator theta hat is equal to 3 times x bar. Okay, so the moment estimator of theta is equal to 3 into x bar. So the answer is option B. Thank you.